Hello, everyone, and welcome to Grow Through English channel, the place where we learn simple English, share real thoughts, and grow together. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Today, we are talking about something most people never think about: brain exercises. When people hear the word exercise, they think about the body, gym, walking, running, stretching, but very few people think about exercising the brain. And the truth is, your brain also gets tired. Your brain also gets weak. And your brain also needs training. If you feel mentally tired all the time, if you overthink everything, if you can't focus, if your mind feels slow or foggy, this does not mean something is wrong with you. It usually means your brain is overwhelmed and undertrained at the same time. We use our brains every day, but we rarely use them intentionally. Most of the time, we just react, scroll, worry, compare, and repeat the same thoughts again and again. That is not brain training. That is mental overload. Brain exercises are not about becoming smarter than others. They are about becoming clearer, calmer, and more in control. Think of it like this. Your brain is a muscle. If you only use it for stress, it becomes stressed. If you only use it for worry, it becomes anxious. But if you train it gently, it becomes stronger and more balanced. In this episode, we are not talking about complicated techniques or scientific terms. We are talking about simple daily exercises that help your brain slow down, focus better, and feel safer, because a calm brain is a powerful brain. And the best part, you don't need hours. You don't need special tools. You don't need to be perfect. You just need awareness and small, consistent practice. Now let's start with the first brain exercise: mindful observation. This is simple but very powerful. All you need to do is pick one thing around you. It can be a cup, a plant, a pen, anything, and just look at it closely. Notice its shape, color, texture. Notice details you usually ignore. Your brain is used to rushing, seeing things but not really noticing them. When you practice mindful observation, you slow down your thoughts, you train your attention, and you help your brain focus. Try to spend at least 3 minutes a day just observing something. At first, it might feel boring or strange, but this is good. Your brain is learning patience and attention. Next is the second type of exercise: memory training. Memory is like a muscle, too. You can strengthen it. Start small. Try to remember your grocery list without writing it down, or remember a short poem, or try to recall the steps of your morning routine. When you practice memory exercises, you improve focus, you improve clarity, and you give your brain a healthy challenge. The third exercise is mental flexibility. This means training your brain to see things differently, to solve problems in new ways. You can do this by changing routines, like using your non-dominant hand for simple tasks, or trying new ways to commute, or even solving a puzzle differently than usual. Mental flexibility reduces stress because your brain learns that change is not dangerous. It learns to adapt. All of these exercises are small, but if you do them consistently, you will notice big changes in how your mind feels. Your thoughts become calmer, your focus becomes sharper, your mood becomes more stable. And remember, brain exercises are not about doing more. They are about doing better, being intentional with your thoughts, training your attention, and giving your brain the right challenges. Your brain loves a challenge, but it also loves your body moving. One simple exercise is called brain walks. Take a walk, but do it with intention. Notice shapes, colors, sounds around you. Try to remember patterns like the order of trees or colors of cars, or even count things in a sequence. This makes your brain work on focus, memory, and observation, all while your body gets exercise, which increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, boosting energy and alertness. Another powerful exercise is dual tasks. This means doing two things at the same time that challenge your mind, like walking and reciting a poem, or drawing while listening to a story and summarizing it afterward. Dual tasks train your brain to switch attention efficiently, improving multitasking and problem-solving skills without overwhelming it. Then there is creative thinking exercises. Your brain thrives on novelty, so try exercises that stretch imagination. For example, think of a problem and write 10 different solutions, even the silly ones. Or take an object and imagine 10 unusual uses for it. This trains your brain to think flexibly and creatively, and it strengthens your mental muscles. Finally, we have brain challenges with games. Puzzles, strategy games, or memory games are more than fun. They train focus, strategy, memory, and patience. Playing regularly keeps your brain active and helps prevent mental stagnation. Remember, all these exercises do not need hours. Just daily practice for a few minutes, and you will notice improvements in focus, memory, and clarity. Your brain becomes sharper, calmer, and more resilient. Your brain is not just about logic and memory, it also thrives on emotions and connections. One exercise is active listening. When you talk with someone, focus fully on what they are saying. Don't think about your reply yet. Try to summarize what they said in your mind or out loud. This trains attention, empathy, and comprehension, and strengthens neural pathways for communication. Another exercise is group problem solving. Work on a challenge with friends or colleagues. Share ideas, listen, debate, and come to a solution together. This improves critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration, while keeping your brain flexible and socially engaged. Then there's emotional awareness exercises. Notice your feelings and others' emotions during interactions. Ask yourself, why do I feel this way? What might the other person be feeling? How can I respond thoughtfully? This builds emotional intelligence, which is a key part of brain fitness, because social and emotional skills are connected to long-term mental health. Finally, don't forget reflection time. After social activities, take a few minutes to reflect. What did you learn? What thoughts or emotions came up? How can you improve your response next time? Reflection strengthens memory, emotional regulation, and self-awareness, and helps your brain integrate experiences more deeply. By combining movement, dual tasks, creativity, games, and social exercises, you give your brain a full workout, like a gym for your mind. And just like your body, your brain grows stronger when challenged consistently. Now, let's dive into mind games and mental habits that keep your brain sharp. One simple but powerful exercise is memory challenges. Try memorizing a list of words, numbers, or even a short poem. Then recall it after some time. Increase the difficulty gradually. This strengthens your working memory and neural connections. Another is puzzle solving. Crosswords or Sudoku, logic puzzles, or brain apps. These force your brain to think in new ways. They improve problem solving, attention, and pattern recognition. Next, consider learning new skills. Pick up a new language, musical instrument, or hobby. Learning something unfamiliar creates new pathways in your brain. This is called neuroplasticity, and it keeps your mind flexible and young. Don't forget mindful habits. Daily mindfulness, meditation, or just focusing on your breathing. These practices help reduce stress, improve attention, and enhance memory. Also, healthy lifestyle habits support brain exercise. Regular physical activity, good sleep, a balanced diet, and social interaction all provide fuel and support for your brain to perform at its best. Remember, brain exercises are not about doing everything at once. It's about consistency and variety. Even 15-30 minutes a day can make a huge difference over time. So today, I challenge you, pick at least one exercise from each category. Movement, dual task activities, creativity, social interactions, or mind games. Do them regularly, and notice how your focus, memory, and thinking improve. Your brain is like a muscle. It grows stronger and more resilient when challenged. And the more you care for it now, the sharper, healthier, and more capable it will be in the future. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, do me a quick favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Let's keep growing together. Let's grow through English.